Hello, this is Hitomi. 你好，我係 Hitomi. I've been harp teacher for 10 years and I've been teaching both level harp and pedal harp. I have students from 4 years old to over 50. Some of them want certification, like have the graded exam with World School, but some others, they just want to enjoy music like a hobby for Christmas or just any song that they would like to play. So if you are interested in harp, please contact me. We can have a discussion. We can see what we can do, what you like, and how we can manage that. Thank you. 如果你有興趣學豎琴嘅話咧，都可以同我聯絡啦。我教咗豎琴大概10年左右，咁有好細嘅小朋友啦，4歲至到50幾歲都會有嘅。咁有一啲就可能想考試，為咗考學校啦，又或者即係俾小朋友有啲活動啦，自己亦都有一個目標咁樣去學呢一件樂器嘅。咁有一啲咧就真係淨係自己想覺得開心啫。咁無論你嘅目標係點樣，咁我都希望可以同你一齊去試下大家嘅可能性啦，去一齊去聽下究竟你創造出嚟嘅音樂係點樣嘅。多謝。